Blessed be, guys and ghouls. I know it's been forever, but I just wanted to take this time to give you a quick update. Let's see, since last we talked, I got a new job, had a baby, and the world feels like it's coming to an end. Yay, quarantine. Anyhow, now that my son's getting a little bit older, I'm going to try my best to get back into the swing of things and continue to put out some really awesome videos for you. I've got some really cool projects down the pipeline, and I can't wait for you to check out what I've got in store. Blessed be.